So we've got a loaded image and we can begin. Um, so I'm gonna want to go midline or mid-sagittal, and I'm currently there, but now we have to go inferiorly to the um, orbits. So I'm gonna scroll down, and we are in the orbits. Okay, I see the eyelids, the lenses here, so I know I'm about midplane in the orbits. And they're disappearing now. So we'll want to find our most midplane lens, which is about here, because the optic chiasm is located midplane. Um, and then you can see the optic nerve coming down here. And this must be the optic chiasm sitting above the sella tunica. So I'm doing all this for the first time, and part of these challenges are you don't see these images before you do them, so let's see how well we do. Um, say that's up to chiasm. Go a little bit smaller on this because you can see it's still within the um, cavern. I think it's what it's called. So you smaller radius here. Next slice. And I was doing this on CT the other day too, which is not as easy to do on MRI because I can see on the MRI where the chiasm ends. I think this is where it ends, but on the CT, it was a lot of guesswork. But I also know that the chiasm should be an X, so I feel like I should be going more posteriorly, um, and not stopping so early. I have to go more posteriorly, but we can always come back and do that. Yeah, not really sure how far to go posteriorly. Just gonna go, I'm just gonna connect them. Same thing here. Because black is air, right? So they haven't connected yet, and now they're getting closer to each other. I felt more confident doing the CT one, even though I couldn't see anything. Maybe when you see so much, it makes you second guess yourself. I don't know. Um, now, what is this air that comes to nothing? This must be the bottom of the sella tunica, which is where the pituitary gland sits. And so all this is chiasm, or I'm really not sure. Increase this brush size. I would just draw over everything. I feel like it's not gonna it's not something I should actually do, but it works for MRI. I'm sorry, it works for CT. Yeah, I feel like it's not so anteriorly and it doesn't go so anterior and posterior on the inferior and superior layers, but let's just see what happens. At, no, at least I can't be contouring over here because this is the cell eternita. So it's like it's not going to be um, inside inside the bone. Let's see how we did. Probably not the best, but it's loading. We got a score of 0. Um, so I was completely off inferiorly and superiorly, which means maybe my anatomy needs some brushing up on. Yeah, well, these things happen, and I will be redoing this contour, and we're going to see some improvement because that's the point in this channel. So I'm stopping the recording for now.